today, Mr. Dustin.
Hi, mabuhay. Good afternoon, everyone. So, how's everybody doing today? Are you all good? Again, I can hear you. Are you all good? Alright, now to make sure you're all set and ready, when I say hi, you say hello. Hi! Again, last one. Hi! Alright, what an amazing energy. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons can remember places and can find their way back home no matter how far they will go? It is because pigeons we use as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our foreign-friended friends will showcase their natural behaviors, invite guest participation, and share important environmental message. But let me ask you something. Are you ready to be amazed to our foreign-friended friends? Alright, now let's get this show started. Now, to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Irvin, together with our blue and gold Mabane, Amigo. Now, Amigo originates in South America, but inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment in. So first, he picks up the plastic cup, walks all the way, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Now for the second one, he picks up the can, open the bin, and drop it inside. Now for the last one, he picks up the crumpled paper, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash on your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to... That's right, godliness. Now Amigo, together with his fine pretty friends, has something to tell us. Welcome to Cebu Safari Spirit Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying boss. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Sony, Kyle, and Carl. Now macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, flowers, and stems. Now this bird can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. It has a strong beak that can easily grasp nuts and seeds with an impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. PSI means pounds per square inch. Now there are around 400 species of parrots in the world, and blue and gold macaw is one of the top 5 largest parrot globally. So round of applause to our flying macaws. Now our next bird we have is a very special, intelligent, and a very handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Again, I can hear you. Say it louder. Say Jumbo. Here's our green-wing Mabane, Jumbo. So hi Jumbo, good afternoon buddy. Can you wave to the crowd like this? Hi, welcome to Cebu Safari. Now everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo? Now macaws are very long tails with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around buddy? Alright, that's 1. 2, last one. Good bird. So as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Say it louder. Say wings. So lastly, macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have two toes that points forward and two toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now, Mr. Irwin here is a ground nut. He will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his nut. Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Good job, buddy. Now, as I said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special bird. You wanna know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to nerd school. Now, we have prepared two sets of tests for Jumbo, and the first one is a spelling test. Now, we have here 5 animal pictures. We have here the horse, camel, snake, zebra, and the tiger. Now, everyone, I need you to choose one animal picture. What would it be? Say it louder, I can hear you. Alright, so let's proceed tiger with Miss Debbie. So I'll stop arranging the Jumbo letters. Let's go here to Mr. Irvin to ask questions about Jumbo. So hi Mr. Irvin, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm good.
That's good to hear. Now Mr. Irvin, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
True.
Alright, it's true. Right, so we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the tiger word correctly? Okay, first letter. He picks up the letter T. How about the second one? He picks up the letter I. For the third one. He picks up the letter G. Good job, buddy. How about the next one? He picks up the letter E. Now for the last one. Last letter, buddy. Is it letter A or letter R? Take your time. There's no need to rush. You have all the time you need. He picks up the letter R. Now, tiger spells C-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Alright, now since Jumbo did well on the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical tests in addition form. Now, I need two numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or hand sign, please? How about in this side? Okay, I see your 5. How about in this side? Higher than 5. I see your 9. 5 plus 9. Now, this type of behavior showcases their intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. Now, let's proceed here again to Mr. Irvin to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now, Mr. Irvin, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So Jumbo's favorite foods are variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Next question, Mr. Irvin. What are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. Last question, Mr. Irvin. Where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now let's see how good he is at math. Jumbo, what is 5 plus 9? Alright, for the first number, he picks up the number 1. Now, for the last number, buddy, last one. Right, is it number 3, number 4, or number 5? He's still busy eating, guys. Take your time. There's no need to rush, buddy. He picks up the number 4. Now, 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. Is it correct? So, round of applause to our giveaway macaw named Jumbo. Now, at this moment, I need a volunteer. I need an adult volunteer who is not afraid of the birds. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Adult volunteer. So we have our volunteer staff at the Yuki. Alright, so already have our adult volunteer. So kindly follow at the Yuki, sir. And be careful going down. Right, now sir, listen to Ate Yuki's instruction. Okay, so don't make extra movements and try to relax, sir. So sir, are you ready? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of San Cuñor. Now, Sancunyors are also known as San Paracats. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. So if you want to feed them, we have Sancunyor feeding at the birds of the world. I can assure you that it will be an amazing experience. Thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. Now, for our next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer who will stand here at the center aisle. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Alright, so we already have our adult volunteer. Okay, so please be careful going down lang, sir. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now smile at the camera, sir. Now ladies and gentlemen, feel the love in the air as we have here our couple Sancunyors name, Ding and Dong. Now Sancunyors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when the partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features, just like their colors and size. Alright, now thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. Now, for our next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with a money or a paper bill. So raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Adult volunteer with a money or a paper bill. Any paper bill will do. So we have here volunteer staff, Kuya KJ. They'll be the one who'll pick out the volunteer and give instructions. Alright, so I think we already have our adult volunteer. Okay, so please proceed here on stage, ma'am. Okay, be careful going down naman. Alright, so watch your step. This way, ma'am. Alright, so hi ma'am, good afternoon. How are you today? Alright, that's good to hear. Now ma'am, may I ask, what is your name? So hi ma'am Yan. So I want you to show your money to the crowd, ma'am. Now ma'am Yan here I see 50 peso bill. So I want you to fold your money into half 3 times at the same direction. That's 1, 2, last one. Alright, that's good. And then, hold the tip of the money and extend your right arm like this. Now, Miss Yan, are you ready? Alright, now, do you have an extra money? Not really. Are you sure about your 50 pesos? This is what your mom gave me. Alright, that's good. So don't make extra movements and just try to relax, ma'am. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy Sancunyor name, Sunny. Now Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to Ma'am Yan, under her arms, and he picks the 50 peso bill. Now bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 50 pesos. Now, Miss Yan, can we do it again, like another 500 pesos? Ma'am, we accept card or GCash. No, I'm just kidding, Ma'am Yan. So I will return your money. All you have to do, extend your right arm like this and open your palm. Alright, that's good. Now everyone, Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. Now Sunny, can you return the money? Now Sunny flies back all the way to Mom Yan and he puts back the 50 peso bill. So round of applause to our cute and fluffy son for your name, Sunny. Now thank you so much, Mom. You can now take your seat. Now everyone, how about we give Miss Yan a massive round of applause. Thank you so much, Mom. Alright. So for our last two adult volunteers, I need two adult volunteers who will stand here at the center aisle. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. So I need two adult volunteers. So we have your volunteer staff, Kuya TJ and Miss Rachel. Alright, so kindly listen to our volunteer staff instruction. Okay, so already have our two adult volunteers. Alright, so I need everyone's cooperation, so please turn off your flash on your phones. So again, just please sit down, turn off the flash of your phones, and just enjoy the show. Alright, now listen to our volunteer staff's instruction.
Sige pa, up.
So again, just please sit down and also do not try to reach out or touch this bird. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our animals. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Okay, so we're all set and ready? Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our playful eclectus parrot named Rio. So eclectus parrot, they are colorful medium-sized birds. Alright, fly to the first one. And he made a shortcut. Now eclectus parrot, their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fruits, seeds, and nuts. Fly to the first one. And again, it will come back to Miss Debbie. Now, this bird can grow up to 35 to 46 centimeters long. Can we do it again? One more time, Miss Debbie. Alright, you fly to the bird. Again, he made a shortcut. Now, this type of bird can be found in the northeastern parts of Australia and Solomon Island. So a round of applause to our playful eclectus parrot named Rio. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander in the rainforest of Brazil. As we have here our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Mr. James. Alright, now everyone, I want you to meet Lani and Rudy. Now, can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. This type of bird are great, mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first. Now, how about cat?
Rudy, can you bark?
Now, next one is a telephone ringing. Now, last one is a whistle. Try again. Good job, buddy. Now, Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Mr. James?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have a warm-up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm-up. La 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 la. la 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 la. Alright, now they are ready for their first song. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Let's try again, one more time. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hand. Alright, now, happy birthday. Now, we have some celebrants here, buddies. What will you do next? Let's try it again, one more time. Again. Last one. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans using their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Mr. James. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Lani and Rudy's good friend, our most handsome Tuga name, Mr. Horn. Now, Tugatugans, they are the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. So as you can see, it is a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, Tugatugans have a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now, when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now, there are around 40 species of toucans around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. So, fun fact about Tugatugans, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a natural radiator. So a round of applause to our most handsome Tugatugans name, Mr. Horn. Now, since you already witnessed the amazing skills and talents of our fluffy birds, it is time to meet some fierce raptors, our birds of prey. Now, birds of prey are big birds with pointed beaks, sharp talons, and have wide wings. Examples are hawks, kites, eagles, and vultures. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down, turn off the flashes of your phones, and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. Because our next set of birds are going to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and flight styles. Lastly, they will fly closer to you. So again, just please sit down and also please keep your foods inside your bag. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our animals. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, for our first birds of prey, it is a diurnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the daytime. But before calling him, we will first need a lure. So the lure will be handled by Mr. Irvin, a bird trainer. The lure will serve as the real food or the real prey because this bird is going to showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Irvin, are you ready? Alright, so we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine hawk eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. Now, this bird can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. As you can see, Mr. Irvin here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. So a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now, for our next birds of prey, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so let us remain silent, seated, and relax as we welcome the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Boo. Now, Philippine eagle owl, they are the largest owl species that can be seen here in the Philippines. It is a wingspan of 40 to 50 centimeters. So as you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2 kilometers away. So when they fly, they're almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night, making them a silent stalkers or the silent hunters of the night. Just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without moving its whole body. So their yellow eyes are not just for show. They have excellent night vision, making them a powerful nocturnal predator. Lastly, they're locally known here as kuwago or bukaw. So a round of applause to our Philippine eagle owl named Boo. Now, for our next birds of prey, they're excellent at catching their food from other birds, even in mid-air. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down, supervise your kids, and just enjoy the show. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our snatching prey of flight, our brownie cat named Shadow. But wait, there's more. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. So brownie kite, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. And we have here another brownie kite named Cloud. So again, just please remain seated. So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banok in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. Now, Brahminic kite, they're excellent at gliding, soaring, and fly high up in the sky. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found in Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. Thank you so much, Mr. Romek. Now, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Now, for our last brownie kite, I need an adult volunteer who is not afraid of the bird. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. We have your volunteer staff at the Yuki. So just raise your hand if you want to volunteer. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down, keep your foods inside your bags, and just enjoy the show. So it is for your own safety and for the safety of our animals. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our last family kite named Sky. Now, Brahminic kite, they practice cryptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey of flies. So Verminicide, they are the real-world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. So a round of applause for Verminicade's name, Shadow, Argus, Cloud, and Sky. Now, from the medium-sized of raptors, let's proceed to the largest birds of prey. We have here in Cebu Safari. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down, supervise your kids, and do not try to reach out or touch these birds. Because these birds will fly closer to you. Again, a friendly reminder is please sit down and just enjoy the show. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more! Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina! So the scientific name for this bird is the Elatus neoproclaster. So this bird can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mammals. Now these largest birds of prey can be found in Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and Sri Lanka. So their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 25 to 30 years. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now let me introduce to you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. Irvin, together with Mr. Ramlek, Miss Debbie, and Miss Rachel. We also have here our Indian peoples and our Scarlet Ivies. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Dasin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the wild. Alright, now for those who want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here official photographers, the view group. And for those who have been to White Lion Safari, Camel Area Birds of the World and African Savannah,
Just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to Orangutan area. That's the tram stop for our key attractions inside. We also have White Bengal Tiger feeding 2:30 p.m. Just go up and turn to your right side 2 minutes